Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer more tasty. First, focus on your core ingredients. Using premium malt provides a robust foundation for flavor. Fresh hops are crucial for achieving the perfect balance of aroma and bitterness, so don't compromise there. Finally, understanding and adjusting your water profile can dramatically enhance the overall taste, making your brew truly shine. Next, mastering fermentation is key to a delicious beer. Choosing the right yeast strain is paramount, as it dictates much of the final flavor profile. Maintaining a stable fermentation temperature, ideally within a 2-degree Fahrenheit range, prevents unwanted off-flavors. Also, give your yeast ample time to complete its work and clean up any byproducts for a smoother, cleaner taste. To truly elevate your beer, consider creative flavor additions. Infusing spices like cinnamon or fruit purees such as raspberry can introduce exciting new dimensions. Aging your beer on oak or other wood chips can impart vanilla, coconut, or smoky notes, adding significant complexity. Don't forget dry hopping, which is a fantastic way to amplify hop aroma without adding extra bitterness. Finally, perfecting your pour makes a big difference in taste perception. Ensure your beer has optimal carbonation. Too little or too much can detract from the experience. Serving at the ideal temperature, often between 45 and 55 degrees Fahrenheit, allows the flavors to fully express themselves. And remember, using the right glassware can significantly enhance both aroma and visual appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.